Solar panels capture energy from sunlight using photovoltaic cells. When photons from the sun hit these cells, they excite electrons, creating a flow of direct current electricity. This is the raw power generated by the panels. The direct current, or DC power, produced by solar panels isn't directly usable by most home appliances. A crucial device called an inverter converts this DC electricity into alternating current, or AC power. AC is the standard electricity type used in homes and on the power grid. Once the power is converted to AC, it flows to your home's electrical panel. From there, it can directly power your lights, appliances, and other equipment. You use the solar power as it's generated. If your panels produce more power than your home is currently using, that excess energy has a few options. It can be sent to a battery storage system to be used later, like at night or during outages. Alternatively, it can be sent back onto the main power grid. Your solar system is connected to your home's existing electrical system, and often to the utility grid. This allows you to draw power from the grid when solar isn't enough, and send excess power back, potentially earning credits. It's a seamless integration for clean energy use.